Uh, Hi everyone. It's wonderful to see everyone in this sunny day. I hope I can guarantee that your few hours back was it memorable and delightful. A cheerful good morning to everyone, especially respected today's chief guest, Kerim Poche Geshitashi Sedala, respected disciplinarian Geshi Thupten Yargela, respected chanting master Gen Genden Dargela, and respected Chongsui Chenpo Geshi Nawang Jangchopla, and respected all the Gelas and sisters and my brothers. My name is Kom Yudron, and I came here from Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang district. In this summer camp organized by Seraje and Arunachal Buddhist Welfare Association. And I'm going to share what I experienced in these 21 days. Uh, I experienced a lot in these 21 days. Many new words I learned, many new things I learned. And the main motto of our behind reason coming here was to learn more about Buddhism, about our culture, about our language. As you all very well know that in English there is a saying that loss of culture means loss of identity. I strongly believe it. In the place of our mon, the culture is losing more and more. And so to preserve it, we are today here. And after coming here, I learned a lot. When I was at my own place at Monyul, I was not knowing that what exactly Buddhism means. What is the reason that we are Buddhists? And what are the Bodhi scripts? But after coming here, I learned why we are following to Buddhists, why we are following to the Lord Buddha. And uh, that Lord Buddha said that don't follow his religion without experiment it. There is a saying that rough it, before to check gold, we should rough it, burn it, cut it. After coming here, we cut the Buddhism, we rough the Buddhism, we burn the Buddhism. After that, I came to know that everything is reality in Buddhism. And I learned a lot, and I learned the four commitment of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And I learned very important thing, that is secular ethic. In that case, I learned the most important thing, compassion. As you all very well know that today the world is not world without compassion. And after coming here, I get lots of blessings from different Rinpochelas like Gandantri Rinpoche, K Rinpoche of Seraje, K Rinpoche of Serame. I think such a blessing we may not get together. It's lucky enough that we got such a blessing together. And I hope that in future also we will get such a blessings from different Rinpochelas. And except it, we pay visit to many holy places like Namdoling, Tashi, Lumpola, and Seraje, Serame, etc. And I learned many things in short period. Uh, for me, it was a short period, but I learned a lot. I hope in future we will get more chance to pay visit in such a camp and will get chance to learn more things. Actually, since many days, I was just worrying that will our Gelas, will the Seraje Monastery in Arunachal Buddhist Welfare will conduct such a camp again or not? Just I was worrying. But just before our administrator, Gishi Nawang Jangchupla said that he will continue this summer camp. So for that, I'm heartily thankful to you, Gela, and I hope you will never stop doing such a camp because for the Buddhists, for the Monpa, it's very important because I know that because I am a Buddhist, I am a Monpa. And after coming here, I learned a lot, not only Buddhism, not only Bodhi script, but also to how to respect our parents, elders, etc. And I learned how to be compassionate not only to human beings, but all the living beings like insects, birds, animals. Few days before, when I was at home, I read one book in that it was saying that all living thing needs compassion. And I strongly believe it. All living thing needs compassion, not only human beings. And you know why we are called human beings? Why we are different from other animals? We are different from other animals because we have capacity to think about others. And I have not much to say, but I would like to heartily thank the Seraje Monastery and Arunachal Buddhist Welfare Association for conducting such a summer camp. And I am well happy that I'm being the part of this summer camp. And before I'm coming to here, although my body was there at my home, but my soul, my heart, everything was here. I was just thinking what will happen, how I will learn. After coming here, I experienced many things, many new things. And after here, after coming here, I learned many things. And I would like to say that all the galas are very nice, not only in teaching, but only very frank in joking, telling us stories. They gave us some very memorable days here. I don't know whether we can forget it or not, but I think it will remain with us whole in our life. So I hope in future also I will be a part of this such a summer camp. So Gela, lastly, I would like to say that the people of Monyul, the young youth, the youth of Monyul need such a summer camp to know the Buddhism, to know the Monpa. Because as they mentioned that before coming here, they were not knowing Monpa. They only knows Hindi. But after coming here, they knows the Monpa. I think it's a big achievement of Seraje Monastery and Arunachal Buddhist Welfare Association. So in future also, we need such a summer camp so we know our own culture more. So last not the least, I would like to say that please maintain your mother tongue, your culture, your religion. Thank you.